Write 10 to the 8th power as repeated multiplication and find its value. Whenever you have a base being raised to an exponent, you multiply that base to itself this many times. So we're going to multiply 10 to itself 8 times. So 10 times 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 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, the shortcut for writing out what 10 to the 8th power actually is whenever it's 10 to the anything power, you start out with a 1, and that 8 tells you how many zeros you're going to write after the 1. So since this is 10 to the 8th power, the shortcut is 1 with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 zeros after it. And then we count to the left 3 and put a comma there, and count to the left 3 and put a comma there, and end up with 100 million.